Hi guys, this is Pooja. I basically belongs to Odisha. I'm a 2015 BTech candidate. I did my schooling over there itself, and as soon as I got completed with my BTech, I came here Bangalore. I joined J Spiders, which is suggested by one of my seniors. I knew that even though from CAs and scoring 80 plus, it would not be much enough, and holding a degree to get enter into IT sector. For that, I need to have skills in corporate languages like Java, Business Java, Enterprise Java, HTML. So for that, I got completed all those courses with J Spiders Rajaji Nagar. A heartily and warm thank to Keshav sir, who's just endless teaching to students, a cooperative nature that brings into students to fight into whatever wherever they are be facing problems like in coding or programming, anything. My special thanks to Shishira Bhatt sir, whose encouragement, whose motivational words, and whose just, amazing classes on Big Data Hadoop. I would say yes, on Big Data Hadoop only today I got placed, and I'll never forget the man, the best person I have ever met in my life. Best coachings, best classes provided by J Spiders, the cooperative friendly, I would say day and night working HRs of J Spiders completely. Whatever the placements are coming, they're providing to students to let the students meet their dream companies. My special thanks to Raghu sir, yes, for his outstanding logics on codings. Through that, one can learn how to execute the program, especially on patterns. I would advise my juniors to never fail to attend Raghu sir execution classes. Always attend mocks, take mocks, be regular in the classes. Just run behind the HRs, run behind the HRs to get the placements, whatever they are providing. And yes, of course, like if you dream high, you should have the guts to achieve that. You shouldn't be lacking behind. You should never give up. I even disheartened it. I even somewhat lacking. I even did not. I was not good in apti, and people says that does apti is the only criteria to get clear the interviews? No, but yes, to filtering processes, it is the route. So I took it as a granted that yes, to clear the base I need to first to live in the apti. I got cleared with apti. Again, in technical, you need to even be good in technical. You need to be good in Java related concepts, that would be in SQL. Whatever placements are based on the languages, you need to get prepared yourselves on those only. So there will be only one line would here conclude that if you want to shine like a sun, you need to first burn like a sun. Otherwise, there will be ending. Once you will lose your hope, there will be ending of yourself itself. So never lose hope from you. Keep on walking, keep on stepping. You never know which step you will change your life. Thank you so much, and join J Spiders. Yes, it's the best placements area. And if you need to, if you want to make yourself strong on languages, and to you want to be stay ahead in corporate area, you need to you're welcome to J Spiders. Thank you.